design a modern and responsive shopping cart page using HTML, Tailwind CSS, JavaScript, and a little bit of PHP for structure. This is going to be a real-world UI design, not just a basic layout. By the end of this video, you will learn how to design a clean cart UI, how to structure cart item properly, how to create a responsive layout using Tailwind, how to do the interactive elements like remove button and tools tips, and how to calculate subtotal and total using JavaScript. This layout is perfect of e-commerce website, course marketplaces, or digital product stores. And if you build in a full marketplace system, this cart page structure will fit properly. So let's get started. Project structure. First, let's look at the basic PHP structure. Here we include the header file. This allows us to receive navigation, styles and scripts across the entire website. Then we check if the logged user in buyer. This is important because only buyers should cross the cart page. Then we create a variable to track the active tab. This allows us to switch between dashboard and cart tabs. Main page container. Now let's create the main container for the page. Let's understand three classes. Min screen makes the page height and leaves the full screen height. BG white sets a background color. Sticky top 60 makes the container stick when scrolling. Set 40 control stacking order. Tailwind make layout design extremely fast. Tab navigation. Next we create the tab navigation for the dashboard. We dynamically change style depending on the active tab. So if the tab is active, the border become blue. Otherwise it stay transparent. This technique creates a clean tab interface without JavaScript. We repeat the same logic for the cart tab. Dashboard section. If the dashboard tab is selected, we show a simple section. Inside we display a title, add a short description. This section is simple because the main focus of the tutorial is the cart page, cart header. Now let's move the cart section. We create a header section. Add a subtitle. This improves user experience by clearly explaining the page. Empty cart UI. Now we check if the cart is empty. If the cart is empty, we show a friendly empty state UI. This is very important for UX. We display cart icon, message and browse button. Then a message, your cart is empty. Add a call to action button, browse is key. This encourages users to continue shopping instead of leaving the site. Cart layout structure. If the cart contains items, we display the full layout. This is where responsive design happens. On mobile, 1 column, on large screen 2 column. The classes that makes this possible is LG Flex Row, which means horizontal layout only on large screens. Cart item design. Each cart item is designed as cart. Let's break this down. Rounded 2XL creates soft modern corners. Shadow SM adds subtle elevation. Flex gap 4 align image and content horizontal. Product image, this creates a fixed size image container. Inside we place the image using object cover. Ensure the image fills the container without distortion. Product info. Next is show product information. Title, mobile apps development. Instructor name, Sahan Pereira. Then we show course level. This level is advanced. I use advanced level. This work like a batch component. Price is aligned to the right. Using ML Auto, purge the price to the far right. Remove button. Each cart item has a remove button. This creates a grey icon that turns red to hover. Inside we use an SVG trash icon. SVG icons are better because scalable, lightweight and customizable with CSS. Order summary sidebar. Now let's build the order summary section. This creates a fixed sidebar. Inside we place a cart subtotal. This allied label and value or opposite sides. Delivery fee with tooltip. This is a nice UI detail. We add a question mark icon. When the user hover it, show a tooltip. This is a Tailwind hover interaction. Total price. Finally, we show the total. Large typography makes the total visually prominent. Checkout button. Then we add the checkout button. This creates a modern gradient button. We also add hover effect. Add a click animation which gives a press effect. Responsive design summary. This cart page is fully responsive because of FlexCol LG Flex Row layout, flexible item cart, fixed summary sidebar, scalable typography, and Tailwind spacing utilities. Tailwind allows us to build production level UI extremely fast. And that's how you design a modern responsive shopping cart page using HTML, Tailwind CSS, JavaScript and PHP structure. In the next video, we will explain cart item removal using Ajax, dynamic subtotal calculation, checkout interaction with pay here. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more web development tutorials from DV Codex. See you in the next video.